Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we are asked to obtain the value of x, given that 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 150. Now let's obtain the solution. The equation given to us is 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 150. Now recall that in indices, if we have an expression a raised to power of b plus c, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c. So since we had the same base to be equal, then the powers were added. Now also this can be done at this point. So we have it that this becomes 5 raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1, which is 5, plus 5 raised to the power of x equal to 150. At this point, we can factorize 5 raised to the power of x. So we have that 5 raised to the power of x, open up a bracket, 5 plus 1 is equal to 150. And the equation will reduce to 5 raised to the power of x multiplied by 6 equal to 150. So if we divide both sides by 6, the equation becomes 5 raised to the power of x equal to 150 divided by 6, which is equal to 25. So we have it that 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 25. Now we have to express 25 in the base of 5. So we have it that 5 raised to the power of x equal to 5 raised to the power of 2, because 5 squared is 25. So since the bases are the same, the index or the powers also should be the same. So therefore x is equal to 2. Now let us check if we are correct. So the equation given to us initially was 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 150. So we had it that 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 150. And our value of s is equal to 2. So we have it that 5 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 150. So since we are checking if it is equal, let's add a question mark here. So we have that the left-hand side becomes 5 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 raised to the power of 2 equal to 150. 5 raised to the power of 3 is 125 plus 5 squared is 25 equal to 150. So thus 125 plus 25 is 150. So therefore our result is correct. It means that x is equal to 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have subscribed. Bye.